This is the 1967 Cadillac Eldorado 4-button cluster switch for my good friend David in Seattle, Washington. I've gone ahead and properly grounded the unit, and I'm going to go ahead and test for David all 4 of the individual cluster switches. So I'll do so by connecting the proper polarity to each of the connectors now that it's grounded. So I'll start with the driver's front, and we'll be looking at the light bulb back here to watch that light up. So upwardly, and the light bulb comes on. Downwardly, nothing happens until I move it to the downward position. So downwardly, actuate the button, and the downward motion works for the driver's side front window. Now we'll do the passenger side window. So I'll push the button forward, and the light comes on for the upward motion of the passenger side window. Let me move the light bulb a little bit further over. Okay, passenger window, and the light bulb comes on, going upwardly. Now we'll move it to the downward position, and I'll pull it down, and the light bulb comes on for the retraction, okay, of the passenger window. Now we'll go to the right hand rear passenger side rear window, and we push the button upwardly, and the light bulb comes on. Go to the retracting downward prong and pull it downwardly, and the light bulb comes on. Now we'll go to the last position, which is the driver's rear window, and I'll connect the upward prong and push the button forward for the rear driver's window, and the light bulb comes on. And I'll reposition for the retracting prong and pull the button down, and the light bulb comes on, and that's the driver's rear window. So we have now checked for continuity and proper connectivity and voltage for all 4 of the different switches. So this is a fully functional, validated, performing 4-button cluster switch for the 1967 Eldorado for my good friend Dave. No need for me to open up and rework it, as I would have been happy to have done for my friend at no charge, but it is fully functioning. So the problem has to be elsewhere in the wiring. Okay, Dave, take care. This is George in Florida. Bye now.